When teams embark on complex projects, the right project management software can be the compass guiding them to success. In a market brimming with options, a few names consistently rise to the top in terms of popularity and widespread adoption. The question we're tackling today is whether wrike, a well-regarded platform, stands among the two most popular project management software solutions available. To answer this definitively, we need to delve into the landscape of project management tools, understand what drives popularity, and then assess wrike's position within that context. Popularity in this realm isn't just about brand recognition. It reflects the number of active users, the breadth of features catering to diverse needs, and the overall impact a software has on how teams organize and execute their work. The project management software arena is diverse, encompassing tools ranging from simple task management apps to sophisticated enterprise-level platforms. Popularity often stems from a combination of factors, including versatility, the ability to adapt to different project types, team sizes, and industry-specific workflows. Feature richness, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for planning, scheduling, collaboration, communication, and reporting. User-friendliness, an intuitive interface that makes it easy for all team members, regardless of their technical expertise, to adopt and utilize the software effectively. Scalability, the capacity to grow and adapt as a team's needs evolve, accommodating larger projects and increasing numbers of users. Integration capabilities, seamless connection with other essential business tools, such as communication platforms, CRM systems, and file storage solutions. Pricing structure, offering flexible and competitive pricing plans that cater to different budgets and team sizes. Strong customer support and community, providing readily available assistance, comprehensive documentation, and a supportive user community. Considering these factors, let's examine wrike. Wrike is undeniably a powerful and feature-rich project management platform. It offers a wide array of functionalities, including task management, Gantt charts, workload management, customizable workflows, real-time collaboration, and detailed reporting. Its flexibility allows teams across various industries to tailor the platform to their specific needs. Wrike also boasts robust integration capabilities, connecting with numerous popular business applications. However, when we talk about the two most popular, we're often referring to the titans of the industry that consistently appear in market share analyses, user surveys, and general industry buzz. While precise, real-time market share data can be proprietary and fluctuate, certain platforms have consistently demonstrated widespread adoption and recognition. Based on general industry understanding and available reports, the two names that frequently emerge as the most popular project management software are often Asana and Monday.com. These platforms have garnered significant traction due to their user-friendly interfaces, versatile feature sets, strong marketing efforts, and ability to cater to a broad range of teams and project complexities. Asana is known for its clean and intuitive design, robust task management capabilities, and focus on team collaboration. Its flexibility makes it suitable for various project types, from marketing campaigns to software development. Monday.com, with its visually appealing and highly customizable board-based interface, has gained immense popularity for its adaptability across different workflows, including project management, sales, and CRM. While wrike is undoubtedly a strong contender and enjoys significant popularity, it typically falls slightly outside the top two in most broad assessments of market share and overall user base. It's often considered among the leading project management software alongside other prominent players like Trello, Jira, and Microsoft Project. Each of these platforms has its unique strengths and caters to specific niches or preferences. For instance, Trello, with its Kanban-style boards, is highly popular for its simplicity and visual task management. Jira, on the other hand, is a favorite among software development teams due to its agile project management features and bug tracking capabilities. Microsoft Project, a long-standing player, remains a popular choice for organizations deeply integrated with the Microsoft ecosystem and those managing complex, resource-intensive projects. Wrike distinguishes itself with its highly customizable workflows, advanced reporting features, and robust workload management capabilities, making it particularly appealing to larger teams and organizations with intricate project requirements. However, Its interface can sometimes be perceived as slightly more complex compared to the streamlined designs of Asana or Monday.com, which might influence its overall adoption rate among smaller or less technically inclined teams.